Hello everyone. So there was one thing I wanted to mention to you about this TED Talk that you'll be listening to, and any TED Talk in the future that you'll be listening to. You do have the option to put on these subtitles. Now, for example, if I were to play,
It's the language of the internet. It's the language of communists. It's the language of the internet.
okay. So basically, when he was speaking, there was no text or writing on the bottom of the screen. And that's what a subtitle is. So if you were to go to the bottom of the screen and hover over the subtitle control, click on it, a bunch of languages are going to pop up. So there's Arabic, there's Bulgarian, there's Burmese, Chinese, so on. So let's say, for example, I wanted to listen to this, but I also wanted to read the subtitles in Chinese. So I just click on that. Oops. I can just X out here, and now look. Awesome. So my recommendation is that if you are going to choose the subtitles in your own language, please do that. But I also encourage you to listen to it for the second and third time with the English subtitles. Okay, and this is going to be super helpful for you to learn perhaps new words, but also to answer a question or two that is a part of this listening activity. I hope this video was helpful. Please, if you have any questions, just send me a message. Have a great day, guys.